Hey guys, Kevin with Electric Ease here with another FAQ, or frequently asked question. Today we're talking about plans and specs. So what are plans? Well, plans are a drawing of the project. Plans can be multiple sheets or they can be single sheets, and some of us have even seen them drawn on a napkin. If you're fortunate enough to have a detailed set of plans, look for notes and key callouts on the plan that'll help guide you through the estimating process and what the requirements of the project are. If the project you're estimating has a spec book, don't get too tangled up in it. Stick to Divisions 1 and 26 to start. Division 1 is the general requirements of the project. They'll list the contractor requirements such as insurance and other things like that. They'll also list alternates and potentially who you're bidding the project to, whether it's a general contractor or a construction manager. Then head to Division 26, which is our division, electrical. There you'll find specifications specific to you, such as conduit trade size, conduit fittings, mounting heights, and so on. Now, both of these documents are issued to provide information about the project you're bidding, but that doesn't always mean that they're up to date. So make sure you review both the plans and specs, and any questions you have, make sure you send an RFI, or request for information, to the architect to clarify. Within Electric Ease, we have features designed to help you take notes about a project so that you can stay on top of any changes or modifications to the project, as well as anything that your manpower needs to know in the field. If you want to continue to learn more about Electric Ease or how to be a better estimator, head over to our website at electric-ease.com and sign up for one of our webinars. They're full of valuable information ranging from estimating and project management to basic business practices, and they're free. All are welcome to join. I hope to see you there.